welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long. It's been so long, but we're not even going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the present moment, and that's right here, right now. I just got back in town last night, and there's so much that I have to do, but I've been working. I've been cleaning. As you can see, my apartment is clean because, you know, I can't get... my energy is not good in a dirty home. Even though my house is never really dirty, I just have to like be extra and super like dramatic. I need to show y'all Midnight. She is so dirty. Look at her. No, seriously, look at her. Look at this. Look. Wow. Wow. Okay, when I tell you I'm so hungry, I have not eaten. I have not eaten. Oh no, I went to Target and I had one of those little I had one of the Starbucks and I had one of those little breakfast sandwiches, but I barely ate it. So I really do hate when I do this to myself, because when I get hangry, I become a bitch. But I guess that's the point of being hangry. You're angry because you're hungry. You're hungry, angry. You're hangry. But yeah, I'm getting so annoyed with myself right now. I don't know what to eat. I also have to go to the gas station because look at this. Look at this. One thing I don't like doing is going out of town and not filling my tank up, cleaning my apartment. Like, I do not like going out of town unprepared, because I like to come back to a clean car, a car full of gas, a clean home. And I guess I just slacked this time because my apartment was not clean. My car is not dirty. Like, as you can see, it's not dirty at all, but it's dirty on the outside, and that's just as bad. Okay, y'all, I'm at BJ's right now. I needed to get some food, and I didn't want to get no fast food. I'm gonna show you what I be getting, because it be really good, and it's healthy. Let's try this strawberry lemonade. Ooh, that got a strong aftertaste. Oh my god, y'all. Look, hold on. Just look at this. Look at this. I had to put my hair up because these braids are way too long, and it was touching the chair, and that's not what we're about to do. I'm back, and I'm about to hurry up and get ready for my laser appointment. I get my face laser and my bikini area laser. If you don't know what laser hair removal is, well, maybe I should let them explain it. I'm gonna let them explain it, but basically it puts me in a position not to have to shave. But I'm only on, this will be my second session, so like I'm still getting like peach fuzz and stuff. The areas that are getting lasered, you're supposed to shave them. So I'm out of breath. I'm about to hurry up and shave really fast, and then I'm gonna head there, and I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Hello. I don't know, I don't think I told you guys, but I'm in a relationship now. My boyfriend is literally one of my best friends. Like, I literally miss him so much, and I've been in long distance relationships before, but this one is just different, and it's hard to be away from him. So if y'all got any tips on how to be in a long distance relationship, please let me know. So this is the room. There's a machine. They give you these little glasses. This is if you're getting your bikini, but I'm not getting my bikini because I'm still on my period, and I want to wait until I'm completely off my period. These are the little stretch balls. You squeeze them while you're getting it done. Looks like they clean them.
Even though I know who you are, I have to go through the same questions. Can I be verified first and last name and date of birth?
Yes, Amani Collins, 4/22/98.
Alright, and so today we're just going to do face.
Yes.
We don't have any product, lotion, or sweat or anything on our face?
No.
Okay, cool. Any recent direct sun exposure? You look like you've been to the beach or something with your braids.
No. A few weekends ago, I went to my nephew's football game and I got a little tan, but it's going away.
Okay, but how long was it?
Probably like 3 weeks. I don't want to say like two weeks ago.
So I'm gonna put this on you. So do you feel your skin, your face, and your neck is back at baseline?
Basically.
Okay.
Yeah, because you can kind of see the tan line here. Can you see a tan line?
Yeah, I can see the tan line.
Yeah.
Okay. Did I do your face last time, or did my other girls do it?
No, the other girl did. I forgot her name.
The Asian one?
Mm-hmm.
Liana?
Yes.
Did she have you put these on, or the goggles?
She told me to put the goggles on.
Yeah, I'm gonna make you do the goggles. With faces, so I'm able to get up here.
Yeah.
You gotta put those goggles on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, that burned.
Did you just shave?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Is that bad?
It's not bad. I would just say try to shave the day before.
Okay.
Especially like for Brazilian and face, only because in my experience, I feel like it's more what
sensitive.
you're feeling. Yes. What
Okay.
you're feeling, okay?
Okay.
All right, take that look for me.
Is it normal that I feel it in my teeth?
Yes, so some people do. Next time what you want, since I already done your chocolate, we can give you a piece of gauze and they fold it and put it on their like gum line and protects it.
Okay.
But that's normal.
Okay, it won't affect my teeth, right?
No, it won't affect your teeth.
Okay.
But as we, we go up each time. So yeah.
Okay.
Just let the tech. If it's not me, then let the other girls know. Hey, can I have a piece of gauze for my teeth?
Okay.
All
Got
right.
it.
So, same instructions next 3 weeks. Try to avoid direct sunlight if you are going to be outside. Sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. Every 2.
Guys, the next and a final spot. Okay, period. This lady, y'all see her? Y'all can't see her. The next and the final spot I have to go to is the grocery store. I just need to fill my house up, honestly, because I do not plan on spending money on fast food and takeout for the next few days. But also tomorrow's Friday. Like, I like to meal prep on like Sundays so that I can eat that stuff throughout the week, but it's a Friday and I'm going out this weekend and Monday's Labor Day. I'ma just go and get like minimal stuff.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I spend my life with you. Won't please you.
I'm finally back from the freaking grocery store and I got this protein shake. Is from Core Power. It's a high protein shake and I got it in vanilla. I always get like vanilla protein like in my protein shakes I always get the flavor vanilla. I don't know why, because I do like chocolate, but I just feel like vanilla it just tastes much better. Y'all, look how much freaking grams of protein is in here. 42 grams of proteins and it's 230 calories per bottle, so that's really good for me because I don't always eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. At most, I'm normally eating like 2 meals a day. So I'd rather eat 2 meals a day and drink a protein shake. I wanna finally try it. All right, let's taste it. Let's taste it. It's not horrible. But while I'm drinking my protein shake, I want to get into some things because it's been a while and I know I've been MIA. I'm back now and to be honest, the reason why like I stopped creating YouTube videos is because I felt discouraged. But I just like always get these like glimpses, these moments of just feeling unmotivated, feeling like I should be further than what I am. And you know the crazy part about it, whenever you feel discouraged or like you're not where you should be, you know how it makes you want to stop doing what you're doing? When you stop doing what you're doing because you're feeling like you should be further, or you're unmotivated, or you're discouraged, it's not going to get you any closer. If anything, it's going to take you further away from what you really want. It's kind of funny when I do that, because just sitting here and realizing it, I don't do anything but make the situation worse for myself. So even though I still feel like my content does not get the recognition that it deserves, and my brain tries to play tricks with me and make me feel like, you know, whatever, it's not gonna happen, it's not happening, whatever, but it is. And I just have to not listen to those thoughts, because we're not able to control what comes in our brain, but we are able to decide how we're going to respond to it. And so I am forcing myself to get into a place where I am only proving to myself that I can keep going regardless of what the numbers are saying, engagement is saying, the insights are saying. I'm choosing to keep going because even if I can help one person out, and damn it, if that one person is myself, because I look at my content and I get inspired. So if I'm only motivating myself through my content, then, you know, so be it. At least I'm helping me, and that's the best thing that I can do. You guys know, like, over the past few months, it really hasn't been individual content of myself. It was content of a group called Close Friends that myself and others had created. And yeah, it was fun. It was fun creating content with my girls and all the Close Friends girls, and you guys may still see some of them. But I realized, without saying too much of what's going on, because you guys saw it on my channel, so I feel like I need to kind of address it. I realized that a lot of times people come into your life for a season, and even if they're not meant to be there the entire time, I feel like everybody that I come across, everybody that you meet in life, is for a reason. It happened for a reason. I don't take that for granted. But sometimes people are only meant for a season, and that's just it. And that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Not everyone is meant to be here forever. And so, to keep a long story short, that is basically what happened with Close Friends. We still have Close Friends. I just personally won't be posting, you know, episode 1, episode 2, stuff like that, like, on this channel. If we do decide to do another if we do decide to do YouTube videos, we'll create a separate one. But the original group of Close Friends kind of broke up, and it's now myself and another Close Friends girl that's like running it. And then of course we have our Close Friends group, and we're still doing all of our stuff. But I just kind of wanted to take down the videos that I had on my channel, because this channel is really about my life and what I'm doing and what I'm trying, and the ups, the downs, the ebbs, the flows. Is it ebbs or ebbs? The ebbs, the flows, the ebbs, the flows, whatever. I've spent these past few months really working on who I am and my mindset and the energy that I put out. And so that's pretty much where I'm at with it. Also, this is horrible. That is the end of this vlog, y'all. I'm about to go put this food away, go downstairs and get my packages. So yeah, love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, follow my Instagram and TikTok at the Imani Collins, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.